How to redeem Instacart gift card. So if you have a gift card and then you wish to use that Instacart gift card, it's actually quite very simple to use or redeem it. For that, go ahead and then first of all launch the Instacart application, and this is the interface you will see after you log in. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and from here what you basically have to do is to simply go to all these options. Now in this case you can see the option that says credits, promos and gift cards, so make sure to tap on the first option there, and all you have to do is you can see a couple of options. You can tap on add fund option that you can see, and here you can simply enter your promo code or your gift card code if you have, and depending upon the value of the gift card, next time it is going to be automatically applied whenever you shop for something on Instacart, and this way you will be able to redeem your Instacart gift card. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.